People suffering from arthritis and on medication need to execute caution before sitting under sunlight for some vitamin D. Arthritis is an inflammation of joints, usually accompanied by conditions that may include erythema, swelling, tenderness, effusion, and limitations of movements of the joint. People suffering from arthritis are usually on a few painkillers and anti-inflammatory medications. Ultraviolet B energy from sunlight is the key for the production of vitamin D3 in humans. Therefore, often people prefer exposed to sunlight to get some dose of vitamin D. This scenario is common, particularly Western countries and zones where usually winter dominates. Such exposure may be a cause of concern in the people who consume arthritis medicine. Some drugs used in the treatment of arthritis have photosensitive reactions. That means they are sensitive to sunlight. Hence, people who receive those medications need to totally avoid strong sunlight to avoid adverse effects. This implies UV exposure alters the structure of the drug and the immune system views it as an antigen, thereby activating an allergic inflammatory response. There are two types of photosensitive reactions in this scenario, that is phototoxic and photoallergic. In phototoxic reactions, the medicine is activated by UV and reaction occurs within a day. Usually, exposed part of the skin to sun is affected. It is more of local reaction only. In the photoallergic reactions, the medicine undergoes a chemical change in its structure. This is detected by the immune system and treats it as an alien particle. This results in an allergic rash or swelling or tenderness. This may happen usually after a couple of days to exposure to sun. The allergic rashes may be present even in the areas not exposed to sun. Precautions and preventions. Best option is avoiding exposure or limiting the time of exposure to sun. At least avoid peak time exposure between 11 am and 4 pm. Sunscreens with a sun protection factor SPF of 30 or above are advisable. It is a good idea to use titanium dioxide or zinc oxide based sunscreen lotions before getting exposed to UV. Wearing a protective cap and cotton gloves and sunglasses may be helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.